Celery reduces inflammation and improves joint health. Celery is a healthy vegetable rich in minerals and vitamins that improve health in numerous ways. Megan Ware, a registered dietitian nutritionist in Orlando, Florida, explains that since celery is mostly made of water, it is not particularly high in any vitamin or mineral. Yet, it is a rich source of vitamin K, with 1 cup containing about 30% of the recommended daily intake. This crunchy veggie will also satisfy your need for folate, potassium, fiber, and molybdenum. Celery also contains good amounts of vitamin C, vitamin A, and some B vitamins. Its seeds are a natural diuretic and it is naturally low in calories, carbohydrates, fat, and cholesterol. Apart from the well-known antioxidants like apigenin, luteolin, vitamin C, and flavonoids, scientists have identified over a dozen other types of antioxidant nutrients, including dihydrostyl like lunularin, as well as furanocoumarins like bergaptan and pasolarin. The antioxidant support we obtain from celery is largely due to its phenolic nutrients, which have been found to protect us against unwanted oxidative damage to our cells, blood vessels, and organ systems. There are endless options to incorporate it into your daily diet, and we are here to give you several reasons why you should do it. Number 1. It fights inflammation. Celery is a natural anti-inflammatory due to luteolin, a phytochemical that has numerous health benefits. It effectively fights inflammation in many parts of the body, including the brain. Number 2. It improves joint health. The powerful anti-inflammatory properties of celery are a great help in the treatment of inflammatory conditions like gout and arthritis. Number 3. It helps digestion. Celery is high in fiber and water, which ensures the smooth function of the digestive system. Number 4. It lowers cholesterol. This vegetable contains phthalates, which stimulate the production of bile acids that lower LDL cholesterol in the blood. Number 5. It provides cancer protection. Studies have shown that celery contains multiple cancer-fighting compounds. Phthalates and polyacetylens detoxify cancer cells in the body and thus help to prevent several cancer types, including ovarian cancer. Number 6. It manages blood pressure. The high potassium content of celery manages low blood pressure. Additionally, the phthalates also help to relax the muscles surrounding the arteries, helping the blood vessels to dilate and thus lowering blood pressure. Number 7. It treats bladder infections. Celery is a powerful natural diuretic and it flushes gallstones and bacteria out of the body. In this way, celery treats bladder infections, reduces inflammation, and helps digestion. Number 8. It helps weight loss. When trying to lose weight, celery is the ideal snack as it is packed with fiber, which will prevent overeating and contains very few calories.